Welcome to our YouTube channel. Happy new month to every one of us. It's another weekend for our weekly analysis where we talk about things I expect of the market the previous week and what actually comes to fruition and what I'll be watching for the coming week. Today's date is 1st of December 2024 and today's analysis will be for 2nd till on the 6th of December 2024. Without taking much of our time, let's go straight to the chart. As usual, we'll start with our dollar index, which is my baseline. Last week I was expecting dollar index to trade to the side 108,000 was the interest, so I was waiting to see a reaction around this yellow line, which happens to be the midpoint of my monthly sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. So this is the CB. So I was expecting and watching how the market price would react. So I was interested in a movement into 106,500. I think 106.500, yes, thereabouts. So, and the market price was able to maintain its movement below 106,500. So the market price is trading below 106,500. So 106,500 to me should serve as a resistance to the price. Since 106,500 has been taken, 106,500 should serve as a resistance, not normal support and resistance. So the point 106,500 should serve as a resistance to the price and send us down into 105 big figure, 105 big figure, and 10, if we could see as far as 104,500. So the coming week I'll be interested in 106,500 remaining as a resistance. 106,500 should serve as a resistance that will take us into 104 big figure and 104.500. So I'll be expecting the movement into this other block here. Okay, let me point it out. So I'm watching this other block that the opening price is 105.155. So 105.155. so this is the other block I'll be watching. So this other block. So the coming week I'll be interested in market gravitating into this level. Then if it was able to blow through the main threshold of the other block, then we are coming down into this gap and then into this yellow shaded area. So those are my PDRs. So let's dive into our cable, GBP USD. Yeah, last week I was interested in the market price trading into, I think, 1.24 thereabouts. Yes, 1.24 if it could be delivered. 1.24, 1.24, yes. So I was expecting 1.25,000 to be the decision point. So and if 1.25,000 has been taken, then I'll be interested in 1.25 4459. But the same way I said I will be making my decision on 1.25 thousand. So personally I was expecting 1.26 the moment, and as long as 1.25 thousand remain a support to the price, I was expecting 1.26 thousand to be delivered, and 1.26 thousand has been delivered. Then the coming week I'll be watching if I could get a movement into this CB here. Oh, sorry, this CB here. This CB, then above this high. So on the long term, I'll be expecting 1.30 thousand. I'll be expecting 1.30 thousand as my draw. Okay, let's do this. I'll be expecting the market price to deliver this level. Okay, let me change this to more visible. That is my draw. That high is my that high is my draw, but the low west hanging fruits for the coming week will be that CB here. This CB here. So I'll be watching the market price gravitating into that CB and then delivers 1.27 thousand or 1.28 thousand, sorry, 1.28 thousand, 1.29 thousand up to 1.30 thousand. So I'll be interested in 1.28 thousand to 1.30 thousand. So my long-term draw has been mentioned down. Now I'll be able to bear a retracement into 1.26 thousand. So 1.26 thousand should be able to serve as a reasonable support to the price. So 1.26 thousand should serve as my support level that would push the price into moving towards 1.30 thousand. So I am seeing a volume imbalance here. This is a volume imbalance. So but this level has my interest, then this level, this volume imbalance, then this equal highs. Then let's move into our Euro USD because I don't want it to be lengthy. Euro USD. Euro USD has 1.05 thousand to be taken. So 1.05 thousand has been taken because I was expecting 1.03 thousand to serve as to be able to hold the price for long, to serve as a support. So the market price was able to retrace into 1.05 thousand, and 1.05 thousand has been taken. So personally, the coming week, this is what I'll be watching. I'll be watching this high being taken. This high should be taken, and we should see a gravitation into this weekly volume imbalance, that shaded area. So on the long run, I'll be interested in 1.07 thousand on fiber, 1.07 thousand, and if we could see a movement into 1.08 thousand, 08 thousand, as long as 1.05 thousand remain a support to that price. That is all. S&P 500. On S&P 500, I was interested in 6,000. On 6,000. That was my interest on S&P 500. So on S&P 500, 6,000 has been taken. 6,000 has been taken. And this high here, the high of this candle, this candle comes in as 6,020 and 26.60. So what will happen next on S&P 500? Personally, I will only scalp and wait for more intel from the market. If I'm to trade it, I'll wait for more intel from the market, but I'll still be bullish. So I'll be watching 6,100. I'll be watching if the market price could deliver 6,100. So on Nasdaq, okay, on Dow futures. On Dow futures last week, I was interested in 45,000. That is the point I was interested in. 45,000. So 45,000 has been gravitated to and has been taken. It has been taken. So 45,000 has been taken. But what am I watching the coming week? I'll see if we could deliver 46,000. And also I'll be able to bear a retracement into 44,500. 44,500 or thereabouts, yes. I'll be willing to bear 44,500, and if it should repair below that, then I will ignore going for 46,000. 46,000. I will not go into 46,000, but I'll be watching 46,000. I'm interested in 46,000, 45,500, 45,500 to 46,000, 45,500 to 46,000. So I'll be interested in a retracement into 44,500, and that should be able to serve as a support my network. $44,500 should be able to serve as a support to the price, because I'm watching this gap here. Let me take this off. It's just for measurement. So I have measured what I wanted to measure. Then let me bring out this. So we're watching that. That liquidity void should be able to hold the price. So if I should see a movement downward, I'll be interested in trading towards that level. I'm interested in trading towards this level here, trading into this, at least to the upper half of it. If the market gives such opportunity before, going on its heel, no problem. So on Nasdaq last week I was interested in 21,000. So Nasdaq 21,000 has been taken, I think, last week. 21,000 has been delivered, yes. 21,000 has been delivered, and it was delivered beautifully. 21,000 has been delivered. So the coming week, I'll still be interested in 21,105 here. 21,105. I'm interested in 21,105 and this high here. So let's see if the market price will deliver 21,105. And also 21,000 should be revisited. 21,000, then 21,105. So the only level I'll be interested in for retracement should be this. Okay, let me take away this box. Yes, I have made my decision with it. So it will surface later in the future, but not now. So let me see how the market trades around 20,500. Oh, sorry, 20,800. Sorry, 20,800. So as long as 20,800 serves as a support, 20,800 should serve as a support. Then I'm going back to 21,000 and 21,105. Then I should be able to see 21,300 being delivered. 21,250, 21,300. Sure. As long as the market keeps trading above 20,800. So that is what I will be watching personally. This is a personal decision. So on gold, without wasting much of my time. On gold last week I was interested in 28,000. I was interested in the market price delivering 28,000, but 20,000 was not unable to be delivered. It was unable to be delivered. So the market price rode towards 26, I think 2600 about. So the coming week, what will I be watching the coming week? Personally, I will still be interested in 27,000. I think that is a low hanging fruit for now. So I'll be interested in 27,000 if I'm to go bullish. And if I'm to come bearish, I'll be going for this low here. I'll be coming for this low. And if I'm going bullish, I'll be going this high. I'll be taking this high. But I'll be going for 2700. If I miss stop out, I'll take it out. I will take it that way. 2700. 2700 has my interest than 2500. So let's go to the BTC. BTC was shy of 100,000. Yes, BTC was shy of 100,000. So I had interest in BTC delivering 100,000 if I thought it wants to drop. I want 100,000. Then I have my eyes on 88, 87. It's 8,000. Yes, I have my eyes on 90, 88, 89, and 90,000. So all in all, let me see if 100,000 will be delivered. I am still with the opinion of 100,000 on BTC will be what? Will be delivered. So I think that is that. That is all I have for this week. Thank you for being part of the family. Thank you for coming this far. A quick disclaimer before I leave. Everything in this video is for educational purpose and educational purpose alone. The fact that I put my money behind it does not mean you have to do the same thing. Trading the forex market comes with risk, so you should be able to know your risk tolerance before dabbling into the market, into the forex market. So the way I analyze my market is the way I decide on it. Is the only thing I have done in this video. So to our new subscriber, you guys are wonderful. You guys are welcome, and thank you for being part of the family. So we meet next time, next week. Be safe.